Stock trucks suck. If you look at a truck like this, it's got plastic hanging off its running boards. It's a work truck. But not often does a work truck have an engine bay quite like this. You see, we do things a little backwards around here because we'll buy a stock truck and then send it over to manufacturing where they'll test every single part they want to build for a 4th gen. If you've ordered a 4th gen dirty part from our site, it was test fitted on this rig. But once we were done, we had the 2nd gen kit swapped in there. We had a rowdy 4th gen. It's basically the internet's perfect recipe for a burnout machine. So instead of sending this thing off to get put back to stock and sending it on its way, we're gonna have some fun with it. It just doesn't quite look the part yet, but the boys from the shop are on that.
Look, I feel like Kobe 24, you know I had to ice my wrist. I've been ballin' since a young, you know I had to stack my chips. Bending corners, 12 personas, know we had to take them risks. You want a spot and take a shot, don't give a fuck about no miss.
Fuck, it's amazing what a set of wheels and tires can do for a truck, isn't it? We put lights, set of dirty forged on it. We put the underhood mirror in so we could show it off, and this is exactly the kind of show what this was built for. We're out here at Out West Truck Fest, and we're gonna send it off in the burnout pit to see what 4th gen will do.
Cause I'm dropping buckets, hey, yeah, like it's nothing. Hey, earn my respect and burn a budget. Hey, tears falling down, underdog is finally overcoming, baby, cause I'm dropping buckets. Earn my respect and burn a budget. Tears falling down, underdog is finally overcoming, baby, cause I'm dropping buckets.
Fuck, that was a lot of fun. Well, that's the kind of thing you're going to be able to see if you come to any of the events that we're going to in the next little while. We're going to bring this 4th gen with us. It's always going to have those same components under there, and it's just going to be something we can use, show off, and keep bringing to other shows. If you like this, like, comment, subscribe. We got an L5P that we just bought, and we got a couple other projects on the go. So we're going to have some more content for you coming up. Thank you very much.
Tears falling down, underdog is finally overcoming, baby, cause I'm dropping buckets.